here is the app called PhotoCircle, private photo and video sharing. Let's just tap get and then double click to install. And then yeah, PhotoCircle is the ultimate photo sharing app for both individuals and businesses. With PhotoCircle, you can easily create private albums to share photos with your family, friends, and colleagues all in one place. With millions of photos and videos being shared every week, PhotoCircle has rapidly become the trusted photo sharing app for its ease of use and focus on privacy. For businesses, PhotoCircle allows teams to collaborate on projects more efficiently, showcase their products in a more engaging way, and build stronger relationships with their customers. So yeah, that's the idea. Amazing app. It's some users write 60,000 plus reviews. So then you can also just create an account, sign up with Apple, Google, Microsoft, or email. So let's just try to sign up here. And then this is the PhotoCircle. A circle is a shared album space with friends. Tap the plus button below to create your first circle. Or ask a friend to invite you to theirs, join a link, and then you could just join, or so then you can just create the PhotoCircle. You can allow notifications. Then you can just add some photos. You can also give access to camera. And then, all right, I just want to add this photo. Whatever, it's like building photo. It's just being uploaded. And then, yeah, this is circle info, edit title, and then basically you can just invite friends and then use this link to share so your friends can see this photo. So like I'm using, for this purpose, I'm using like Google Photos app. So this is just one of the functionalities of Google Photos. Like, I have, for some photos, I have backup enabled in Google Photos, and then I just share this link in Google Photos with my family and friends. So yeah, that's what I'm using, but this is an alternative, literally just focusing on creating the shared photo albums. It's pretty cool. So yeah, I didn't know about this app before, but yeah, give it a try.